Did you know CPA marketing is much easier and better than affiliate marketing? Welcome back to Sauce and Methods TV, where we share a trillion ways to make money. This method works in any country, so like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into the sauce. CPA marketing vs affiliate marketing. The brutal truth: you've been lied to. That's right. If you've been pouring your time and effort into affiliate marketing, you've been buying into the hype, and it's time to wake up. CPA marketing is where the real money is, and I'm here to lay down the cold, hard facts. Let's break it down. 1. Get paid without selling. Affiliate marketing makes you work for sales, but with CPA marketing, you earn just by getting clicks or signups. No sales needed, just traffic. 2. Higher conversions. Higher payouts. Convincing someone to buy is tough. Getting them to fill out a form? Much easier. Higher conversion rates mean more money faster. 3. CPA networks are gold. Stop. CPA networks like Max Bounty, Peerfly, and ClickDealer have offers that convert like crazy, giving you more chances to cash in. 4. The risk is on theme. In CPA marketing, you get paid whether or not someone buys. The advertiser takes the risk, you just make money. 5. Fast payouts. While affiliate programs make you wait, CPA networks often pay weekly, sometimes daily. Fast work, fast cash. 6. Less competition. Affiliate marketing is crowded. CPA marketing? Not so much. Less competition means more opportunity for you. 7. Straight cash. No bull, no refunds, no complaints, just clean, straightforward money in CPA marketing. Conclusion: start earning, no stop wasting time on affiliate marketing. Switch to CPA marketing and start making real money today. The truth is staring you in the face. CPA marketing is simpler, more profitable, and just plain better than affiliate marketing. If you're still grinding away at affiliate sales, it's time to switch lanes. Get on board with CPA marketing and start seeing the kind of money you've only dreamed about. Stop chasing pennies when you could be banking big bucks. The choice is yours. This has been another video by Sauce and Methods TV. Like, comment, and subscribe, and see you on the next video.